Hey guys, so today I am going to be showing you guys how to cook the proper party jollof rice. So let's go. So you will need onion, you need your red bell peppers, and you need some fresh tomato, and also do not forget your tin tomato or this tomato paste right here. So I'm going to be cutting up everything and I am going to be blending everything together. I'll leave all the right amount, like the how do I put, like the measurements and everything in the description box down below. So be sure to check the description box so you see the right measurement that I used. And of course, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do go ahead and subscribe. And before we proceed further, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and let's just keep going, okay? And you can see exactly what I am doing, blending everything in, and after that I am going to be pouring it into this pot for it to cook and kind of, or how do they call it, dry. So like to cook it, I don't know how else to put it, but to cook it. Then as we are cooking that, I am going to go ahead and add in 3 cups of rice into this pot to of course parboil my rice and get it ready for the jollof. And after that I am going to whip out this my cast iron wok. This is where I will be frying the jollof rice stew. This is where I will be frying it. So now I'm going to be adding my chopped onions. You have a separate chopped onions aside from the one that I blended into the tomatoes. You have a separate chopped onions, which, you know, to give flavor to your oil and all that. So I am using this separately. Now this is what the tomatoes is looking like, all that blend. So I'm going to be putting it right in the oil to start frying them. You want to make sure that you fry this properly, like it's properly fried, and that is the reason why sometimes you see your jollof rice, it's not turning red, it's not coming out as red as you want it, you know. It's because your tomatoes aren't fried like properly, so you have to fry it real good. So now as you're frying it, you're going to be adding your bay leaves inside. This gives it that beauty, that sweet flavor, like the aroma is something else. My kitchen is smelling so good right now. These bay leaves are just a game, it's just a game changer. So I go ahead to add that and keep frying them together just to bring out the flavor from the bay leaf. And after that I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of curry powder. I'm also going to add this ginger in here. You can use fresh ginger and garlic if you have it, but at this time I did not have it, so I had the ground one, so that's what I used. And I'm putting my Maggi cubes in here, and you're going to go ahead and turn those all together. So while I am frying this, I'll go ahead and take out my rice. And then look at how the tomatoes are looking, like look at how it is looking right now. This is how your tomatoes is supposed to look after frying, and you're going to be mixing everything in your rice. So what I did was I cooked some chicken. I cooked chicken so that I can get out the chicken stock, you know, from it. So that is what I did, and after mixing this I am going to be adding in my chicken stock. to give more flavor to the rice. This rice, you guys, man, it was so good. I'm not even going to lie, it was so good. Like, so I am mixing everything together. And this tomato paste, you mustn't put everything that you fried in there. If it's remaining, you can always keep it in your fridge and use it next time. That is one thing I love about these fried tomatoes. If it's more than you want, you can always keep that. So I'm adding in my chicken stock, and then I am turning everything in, and I make sure that the rice is red as I want, and then you're going to go ahead and cover up with a foil, so it can then reduce the heat of your whatever you're cooking with. Make sure you reduce the heat so the rice can get done. And now here we have our jollof rice. You can see how it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to subscribe, support my channel by liking this video, leaving a comment down below, and also sharing this video as much as you can so that other people can get to see my channel. Look at that rice, you guys. Try this method and let me know if you tried it. Let me know how well you did and how it came out. If you have any questions, do leave that in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.